Hey Tom and Lisa, it's Dino here from Dynamic Internet Marketing Inc. And real quickly, just wanted to walk you through some of the things we're doing for you on the SEO side, so you both have a better idea of some of the technical, tactical strategies that go into this. So here we're looking at this keyword phrase in Google: Southern California healthcare laundry, and this is a great example keyword because here you can see your advertisement at the top in Google. There it is, Emerald, right there. And you have three ads. You can see they're marked by the yellow. But underneath the ads, you have the Emerald website. So you guys have the top ad and the top spot in natural listings here, and that's done through SEO. So let's go ahead. Let's show you how a little bit of the work that goes in. We wouldn't have time to show you all of it, but a lot of this comes down to how websites link to one another. That's a lot of what SEO is about. So we have a little diagram for you here, and what might happen is a press release might go out about Emerald. That press release is going to link back to the Emerald website. So what our team does is we want to make this press release as strong as possible so that one, it ends up ranking on the first page of Google by itself, but also because it's linking over to Emerald's website, the stronger this is, the more SEO authority it's going to pass to Emerald's website. So what we do and what we have here at the top is these little blue dots are going to represent other websites online. So we'll go ahead and we will build links from hundreds of other smaller websites over to that press release. And what that does is it makes the press release really strong, and then once again that press release links back to the Emerald site, making the Emerald site stronger. Now, the strategy one is to build these links to the press release, but you have to do so in a certain way. You want to use anchor text very strategically. So anchor text, let's not get caught up in the verbiage. Anchor text is just the part of the sentence that links over to your site. So in this example here, in this article, you can see the anchor text is in red. It says, you have the article itself, and it says read more about Tom Gildred. So if you were to click on this red text, it would take you over to the press release about Tom. You know, this anchor text, when we're doing this to your website, this anchor text might say, learn more about healthcare laundry services. And if you were to click on the text portion that said healthcare laundry services, that would take you over to Emerald's website. So anchor text here is really, really important to SEO because it's telling Google what the future website is about. So in this example, it's telling us here that if we were to click on this, we're going to a website that's going to be about Tom Gildred. So that's part of the strategy of how we push up different web properties online. So we can go ahead, we can look at some examples here. We can look at an example for, here we are just looking up Emerald Textiles. So let's take a look at some other links we've built for you. So you can see you're listed in the yellow pages now, and in Manta, which is another yellow pages. Here's a YouTube video. So also right here you can see here's something that we posted on Google. We actually posted this on Google's social network. So I posted this myself, and what I did is I linked back to Emerald's website here, and this is the photo that naturally just came with that. So it's really also good to post on Google. Those are strong links. We posted right back to the Emerald site. But we can go ahead and go to the second page. We can look at some more different links. So we have the Emerald Textiles blog going, and that links back to Emerald's website. So that's also pushing up Emerald's website. And then there's little things. There's always opportunities to build links where most people wouldn't even recognize and notice. So if we look at, let's just say one of these videos here, we have this video ranking for Tom's name. So what we did is we put Tom's name at the front of the video. We made sure Tom's name was used first at the start of the video. And then we have three different links coming out of this video to different things. So we link to Emerald's website, we link to Tom's LinkedIn profile, which is ranking number 2 for his name, and then we link to an Examiner article. So the reason we linked to the Examiner article is we wanted to push that up in search results as well. So it's a lot of cross-linking between all these properties to make each one accordingly more stronger, but there's always opportunities to sneak in other links to other places that most people wouldn't know about. Here within YouTube, you can go on to the About Us page, and we have links to Emerald's website, a link to Emerald's Facebook page, to Emerald's blog. We have a link over to Tom's LinkedIn profile, and remember, we have that ranking now in the 2nd or 3rd position for his name, so we're building all these links to his LinkedIn profile, and that's what pushed it up. We have a link to the Union Tribune article and a link to Emerald's Google page. So it's just a lot of cross-linking between all these different web properties here and social media properties, and that's really how we are able to push up different search results. So it's a combination of the anchor text we use to let Google know what keywords we're going after, and then it's a combination of stacking and building links to press releases into other web properties that then link to Emerald's website. So there's a lot of different little strategies. That's real surface level. I just want to shoot a video for you guys in about 5 minutes, just in case the visual example helped you out. But yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll continually show you and try and shoot more of these videos for you if you find this one useful, so you can kind of have an idea of what goes on in the background here, what we're up to. But we're continually sharing your different web properties on all the social media sites, and then building links to positive press releases and positive blog articles, and all in that, in turn with a bunch of other work that we're doing, is really what this SEO campaign is all about. So we hope you guys found this helpful, and I'm sure we'll talk to you all very soon.